In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can use artificial intelligence inside Chaos ENSCAPE. And you can use ENSCAPE with many software. You can use it with ArchiCAD, Revit, SketchUp, or Rhino. In this case, I'm opening it through ArchiCAD. And if you're interested, there is an entire course dedicated for ENSCAPE in ArchiCAD. And also you find it in Rhino, SketchUp, and others. So we're going to use the AI enhancer in this video guide, which is going to improve our architectural visualization. So you can also use, of course, external enhancers and external AI tools, but this one here is really handy, it's really quick, and you can apply it with within your project in Landscape, in interiors, exteriors, and it's going to be really fast and easy. So I just opened up here ENSCAPE, and I have this scene that I developed again in ArchiCAD and using the assets from ENSCAPE for ArchiCAD, and I put some buildings, some people here. Some of the people are realistic and some of the cars are realistic. Other models are less realistic. So up here in the toolbar, I can click on the Veras, which is one of the tool, but this needs kind of an additional subscription. So it has also more tools, more AI tools. You can generate totally different images, starting from the basic one. And so the other one is the AI enhancer, which is the quickest, easiest, and also it won't like change your render too much. It's gonna simply improve it, enhance it. So first of all, we click, and what is gonna happen here is that ENSCAPE will run a render. So first thing it's gonna do is render the scene with the camera, as you can see. And I put here many effects like the sun and all that stuff, which is explained again in the ENSCAPE course. Once it's finished, it's going to ask you where you want to put it in your Chaos Cloud space. So I can use this folder, or I can use another folder. I can create a new one, a new project. Then when I'm ready, I'm going to upload and enhance. So right now we are uploading. Once the upload process is finished, we can view in the cloud. So we're going to open this enhancer inside Chaos Cloud, and now it's enhancing right there at the bottom. It says enhancing, so we just need to wait. This is the original image, so we can then see the difference. And when it's finished, you can just stop, and that is going to, finish and this is another one that I've done in interiors, so it works pretty well in interiors as well as exteriors. It really does the difference. And so once you're finished, you can download the V2, which is the enhanced file. You can share it. You can see the file info. So you can download version 1 is the non-enhanced, and then version 2 is the enhanced one. And let me go back. So, okay, still working here. So let me see here what else you can do. Well, you can enter full screen. You can zoom. Here, again, you can download, share with other people directly. And in the edit, you can change the name. If you go in the settings, you can call this with a name you want. So let's call this exterior ArchViz and enhance or whatever. So if you want to remember that this is not the original, but it's going to be the enhanced image. And also really important, panorama mode. This is an issue we encounter in another course, which, well, the standard image doesn't work with panorama mode. You need to input panorama images in here so that you can work with panorama mode. So make sure it's turned off when you're not working with the panorama, otherwise it will distort everything. So once we finished, here we can save, and that's all. So save the settings. It's already enhanced, so we should have now the V2, which is the enhanced version. You can see how many details in the clothing here. They all look realistic, and the face looks realistic. The car didn't change too much. Maybe it could do a better work. And then you have these characters here. You can see even though they are like far away from being realistic, the enhancer is trying to put a face in there and put some realism, but sometimes it just cannot do it because there's too much to do. And also here, this was originally just a silhouette, and it's getting some shading and some things that make it look like a black man. like a totally black figure. So he's doing the best he can, and I think it does a great job, especially on this subject on here in the first position here in the forward position, and also the rest looks pretty good. And you can also, see the differences if you switch from version 1, so without the enhancer, and with the enhancer, you can see the difference. So that's the original, kind of more blurred and less detailed. And here you have like pretty, well, it's a photographic realism enhancement. So I think it's worth the try, and it's worth to use it anytime with any render. Also, you can click on the plus and upload any image and enhance, and just continue. You can try like change the view, enhance, you can stop the announcement, and that's it. So it's a really easy tool. It's a really fast, easy tool to use. And this will conclude this guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more video guides, updates on courses, and check our other existing video guides and video courses. If you want to support us and thank us, you can join the channel. And thank you, and see you in the next video.